In the year 2009, St. Francis Educational Trust was formed and the school was started with 10 students having classes from pre-KG to grade 1. Now, this academic year, we have grown to accommodate 340 students with classes from pre-KG to grade 7.
St. Francis International School was started in the year 2009 with the aim to develop the knowledge and personality of the small children in a friendly environment. This venture basically started because of the dream and ambition of Mr. Mahesh Selvaraj to serve the society in the educational field and my passion to give quality education to children with international standards.
We have something for everybody in the school. If you want to dance, you can dance.
If you are creative, you can do whatever you want.
When I switch it on, the electricity passes through the wires and it changes the nail into a electromagnet. How it changes? Magnetic effect of electricity. Who will recall what is?
The core purpose of a school is to develop the individual strength of our students by stirring their imagination and making them explore into the realms of mind and spirit with studious work.
Apart from prescribed curriculum, we also have extracurricular activities like yoga, karate, basketball, athletics, aerobics,
Lego. Bottoms up, never see you go. Got a couple bottles, but a couple ain't enough. Bottoms up, throw your hands up. Tell security, we bout to tear this club up. Bottoms up, pockets full of green. Girl, you know I love it when you shake it in them jeans. Bottoms up, throw your hands up.
and soft toy making. Through equal balancing of academic and co-curriculum, the students are given the chance to exercise their rights and the opportunity to be multi-talented.
SFI is a great school. I love my teachers.
The teaching methodology is student-friendly. The students understand the concept and enjoy learning.
I'm here for 3 years. It's like being in my home.
They were also encouraged to participate in competitions like drawing and handwriting. Exams like Aiken Scientific and Trinity English exam. We have specially trained therapists to help the specially able children to learn to focus, think, and speak.
A little sweet, a little sour, a little close, not too far. All I need, all I need, all I need is to be free.
We also encouraged our special children to participate in national level sports meet held in Chennai, and they won prize in running. Children learn about the values of learning at this age of self-discovery. We use a variety of methods to give expression to our students' talents and abilities. We introduced various club activities such as Eco Club, where they learn the importance of protecting our environment. Cultural Club, where dance and music were taught for an hour in a week.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자
Theatre Club, to encourage the students to be creative and develop their orientation and presentation skills. Arts and Crafts Club, to teach the children the importance of reduce, reuse, and recycle. We recognize the need for the students to benefit from educational experience outside the classroom. Every class was taken on field trips to explore and learn from real life situations. The kindergarten visited the Gindi National Park and Dakshin Chitra. The primary students took a trip to Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. Watched a 3D movie, Ice Age 4, in a theatre and visited Hudson Agro Farm and Factory to learn how milk products are manufactured. Grade 5 to 7 went on a 3-day tour to Bangalore and Mysore. Teaching methodology at this level is very interactive, which initiates lifelong learning. Integrated learning takes place in and out the classroom. As entertainment being part of education, we had special days and fun days. Color Day. Our kindergarten students fluttered like butterflies in colors like pink, green, red, blue, and orange. Favorite Day. Kindergarten had a day to enjoy with all their favorite things. They came in their favorite dress, bought their favorite food and toys to eat and play. Campfire. Students from grade 4 to 7 had an experience of having an extended stay in the school by spending the night by dancing and playing fun games around the fire lit and later watching a movie. Independence Day. The day was celebrated with immense pride and solemnity. The day inspired the students to respect, admire, and emulate the footsteps of our national heroes. Teachers' Day. The day was celebrated to applaud the commendable service of the teachers. The students expressed their love through variety shows. Fire drills. A drill was done by a fire brigade to educate the students and teachers what to do at the time of fire. Children's Day. On this day, the teachers took to the stage to entertain the students by performing various cultural programs. Christmas Day. Christmas was celebrated with carols, dances, and drama on the birth of Jesus Christ. The highlight was Santa Claus visiting the campus. Pongal. The much awaited festival of Tamil Nadu was celebrated in a grand and traditional way by preparing Pongal and chanting Pongalo Pongal. Workers' Day. To make the children understand the importance of non-teaching staff members' role in the campus, this day was celebrated to honor them. To conclude, our campus is a place where children learn about the values of learning at this age of self-discovery. We use a variety of methods wherein they learn to explore the facts, how things work and why it happens, and they develop the ability to think if and then questions.
We know very well there are few types of angles.
They learn
Few of
to
them are
deal
right
with
angle,
more than
left
one
angle.
variable. They are given opportunities to understand in a broader dimension, to apply their knowledge to solve problems.
What was impossible is possible now.
Students are given ample opportunity to work together, discuss possible solutions, and speculate about theories. They are encouraged to look at many possible ways to solve a problem, not just finding one correct answer. They make observations, ask questions, and share their ideas. The outcome is more learning, new ideas, and curiosity satisfaction. We value the innate strength of every child in its journey of life and strive to inspire it with hope and courage. Our program is therefore designed to enrich learning so that early childhood education can extend beyond the limits of today. We take pleasure in announcing the upgradation of one more class in the school, that is grade 8, for the coming academic year 2013-2014.
இங்கே வந்து நல்லா படிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கேன், நிறைய நல்லா பிக்கப் பண்ணியிருக்கான், டிராயிங்லாம் சூப்பராக நல்லா வரைகிறான், மேத்ஸ் நல்லா போடுறான், நல்ல எஜுகேஷன் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது. எங்களுக்கு அதனால ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கும். நாங்கள் குழந்தைங்க
ஸ்கூலில் நல்லா இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க பசங்களுக்கு. அதர் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது. மற்ற ஸ்கூல் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது பக்கத்து வீட்டில் சர்க்கிள்ஸில் எல்லாருமே இவங்க தனியாக தெரியுறாங்க.
मेरा बेटा क्लास 3 में पढ़ता है। बहुत ही अच्छा स्कूल है। सब टीचर लोग बहुत कोऑपरेट करता है। कुछ समझ नहीं पाता है तो मैम को पूछने से मैम बोल देता है। प्रिंसिपल मैम भी बहुत अच्छा है। प्रिंसिपल मैम को जो कुछ हम लोग का प्रॉब्लम होता है बोलते हैं तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाता है। बस स्कूल बहुत ही अच्छा है।
We wish to acknowledge the hard work of our teachers, non-teaching staff, and the cooperation of the parents to make us achieve this year's goal. And we also expect you all to give us the cooperation for the forthcoming years too. Thank you.